Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Miley. If you are new here, I do a new DIY video every single week. And this week, it's my birthday! So I'm actually not a huge birthday person, but I am using my birthday as an excuse to try out a DIY that I have been wanting to do for a very long time. So this week I am going to be making a balloon mosaic. A balloon mosaic can be whatever you want it to be. It can be letters, numbers, shapes. I've seen balloon mosaics that are super fancy, and then I've seen ones that are really simple. And I had mine all designed out. I was gonna make a 2 and an 8 because, you guessed it, I'm turning 28. Very creative, I know. But then, something happened. I hit 1,000 subscribers! So thank you guys for making my birthday a little extra special this year. But when that happened, I started to get conflicted. Do I make a 2 and an 8 or do I make a 1 and a K for hitting 1,000 subscribers? So I just decided I'm gonna make them both. So without further ado, let's get started. So to get started making these balloon mosaics, I know people usually use templates that they print out over a bunch of pieces of paper and put together to help them get a nice crisp letter or number or whatever they're trying to make. So I was trying to figure out how to make one of these templates, and I actually found a website called Balloon Blowout that can make free templates for you up to 3 feet. If you want a bigger mosaic, you have to pay for it, but if you want up to 3 feet, you're good. It's free. So I'm just gonna go with the 3 feet templates. If you want different fonts, you also have to pay, it looks like. Okay, great, so that downloaded. I'm now gonna go quickly through, make the other 3 templates, and I'll be right back. So I have my first 2 templates printed out. I'm focusing on the 2 and the 8 right now. And what I now have to do is take each template and tape it together like a big and very easy jigsaw puzzle. Struggling to get both of these in frame or even just one of them completely in frame. So we are down on the ground. Now I got a bunch of these styrofoam boards, and when I bought these, a man asked me if I was a teacher, and in my mind I'm like, no, I'm not. Clearly I'm not old enough to be a teacher. And then I realized I am old enough to be a teacher. But nope, this is what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is take 2 of these styrofoam boards, tape them together, and then lay the template out and tape the template to the board. Let's go. And now using my Exacto knife, I'm gonna start cutting out this 2. My numbers cut out, what I have to do is take more of this foam board and cut it into strips that I'm going to use to make these 3D numbers so that I can stick the balloons inside. Now the question is, why do I make these? These are 20 inches. No, not to stick a balloon in. Okay. So I'm gonna cut a bunch of these directly in half to use as the pieces to go around these numbers to make them 3D. everything done, I realized I can use my desk again. So what I'm gonna do is take each one of these boards and hot glue them to make this look three-dimensional. Hopefully I don't burn my finger too much. If it doesn't work, I am going to just use tape. Yeah, one down. Okay, so to work around these corners, what I think you have to do is something I learned how to do when working with fabric and working around like a curve in a piece of clothing, is you just make a bunch of slits at inch-long increments so that it like kind of accordions out and in and out and in. Yay. Going as fast as I can. That should. Yeah, see, now it curves nicely. Okay. More hot gluing. Don't burn your fingers, Miley. La 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 la. Ow! Ow! Yep. Okay. Knew that was gonna happen at some point. La 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 la. These people online make it look so easy and like it's so simple. That's okay. We're having fun. We're making something fun. Yay! This looks so cool. I'm so excited. I'm finally making a balloon mosaic. Riveting content. I didn't ask to grow up. It just happened. But you don't have to act like an adult to be an adult. I don't know why I find this like so cool. Hello! Guys, can you guess how old I am? I'm waiting. How old am I? How old am I? Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and get the 1 and the K done, and I will be right back. It's balloon time! I'm back down on the ground. I finished the 1 and the K, and I made them a bit smaller because my hope is that I'll be able to stack the 1 on the 2 and the K on the 8. And in my original design, when I was making just the 2 and the 8, I was going to have the top be black and have it trickle down to a rainbow. But now I think I'm going to make the 1 and the K black and neutral and hopefully have that trickle down to a more colorful 2 and 8. Now I have to blow up a lot of balloons. Let's get started. Okay, I saw this on a video that you blow it up because they want to make them like more round. So you like blow it up all the way and then you release and you push to try to make it more round. Yeah, I think that worked. If I run out of black balloons, I'm gonna also use the white balloons from this pack. Who wants a brown balloon? This is no. Okay, so now I'm going to start with red. 99 red balloons go by. Come on, bro. I've decided I am adding pink to my rainbow. Even though that makes it not a rainbow, I don't care. I'm seeing spots, guys. I'm seeing spots. She's going down. Okay, keep going, Miley. Keep going. Let's start with green. This looks like an avocado. I'm like in the Olympics of blowing up balloons. Okay, on to blue. Clyde, Bonnie. It's now a party. Now Clyde, Bonnie. These are balloons. They can be popped. Please do not pop my balloons. I am working very hard on blowing these up. Talking to you. You're the older one. He's gonna be looking to you for some advice. Hi guys. It's truly a party. Oh my goodness, that was the last balloon. Now it's time to put all of these together. It's officially a 1K 28th birthday party. So I'm gonna go put on my birthday suit. Not that birthday suit. I'm gonna go change, take a few pictures, get some final shots of these guys, and tell you guys what I think of my final creations. Okay, my idea of a birthday suit was just putting on a sparkly top. Okay, so my final thoughts on these balloon mosaics. You have to make one of these for your next party. I think they're so fun, they're so inexpensive. My one piece of advice is really make sure your frames are nice and solid and put together and don't rush through that part, because I did and my frames are kind of falling apart. I hope you liked this video, guys, and this 1K birthday DIY. As always, thanks so much for watching, and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.